Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're focusing on how stress affects detoxification and how ginseng root and St. John's wort can support mental and physical detox. I'll share the recommended dosages, preparation methods, the benefits of these herbs and the science behind them. Now, chronic stress can hinder the body's detox pathways by increasing inflammation and slowing down organ functions. Incorporating adaptogenic and mood balancing herbs like ginseng root and St. John's wort can help the body manage stress, enhancing overall detoxification. So let's talk about dosages, usage and the benefits. Now, herbalists usually recommend about 1 teaspoon of ginseng root per cup of water, up to twice daily. Now, to make ginseng root tea, I add half a teaspoon of ginseng root to 1 cup of water and I let it steep for about 10 minutes and drink this tea twice a day. Make sure that it has been boiled, the water, so that you extract all the properties. Now, I drink this in the morning and the afternoon to help manage stress and boost energy levels. Now, ginseng is an adaptogen, which means that it helps the body resist stress. By balancing stress hormones, it can support detox pathways by reducing the load on the liver and other organs. Studies in the research of the Journal of Ginseng Research shows that ginseng can help modulate the body's stress response, supporting both mental clarity and detox processes. Ginseng is generally safe in recommended dosages, but should be avoided by individuals with high blood pressure or heart conditions. Also, pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare professional before use. Now let's look at St. John's wort. Now, herbalists recommend 1 teaspoon of St. John's wort per cup of water twice daily. Now, to prepare St. John's wort tea, I use 1 teaspoon of the dried leaves in 1 cup of hot water and I let it steep for 10 minutes before straining, and I drink this tea twice daily in the evening to help maintain a balanced mood. Sorry, did I say once daily, not twice daily? So I drink this once in the evening to help maintain a balanced mood. And St. John's wort is known for its mood enhancing properties. And this is why I love this herb. By reducing the feelings of stress and anxiety, it indirectly supports detox pathways by reducing the body's production of stress hormones. Now, studies published in the Journal of Affective Disorders have demonstrated St. John's wort's effectiveness in supporting mental well-being, which can positively influence overall detoxification. St. John's wort can interact with certain medications, so including antidepressants and birth control pills. You should be aware of this and always consult a healthcare professional before using it, especially if you're taking other medications. So this is why I use these herbs for stress and detox. I incorporate ginseng in the morning for an energy boost and stress relief, while I use St. John's wort in the evening to promote a balanced mood. And sometimes I prepare ginseng tea in advance and I store it in an airtight jar in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to make it easier to incorporate it into my routine and remain consistent. Now, if you want to source organic and well-crafted herbs, visit naturalworkshops.com. I'll add the link in the description. And as always, consult a healthcare professional before starting any detox or using herbs, especially if you have a medical condition, you're taking medication, or you're pregnant or breastfeeding. So if you're passionate about natural health, join our Live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join and filled with fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies. So just go to the description and I'll add the link there. And I thank you again for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. So be happy, stay healthy, and always be wise. And I'll see you in the next video.